The Mechanical Engineering Technology program at Michigan Technological University provides students with a more hands-on approach to learning mechanical engineering. Unlike many other programs, MET has a lab to complement lecture learning for nearly every course, which allows students to put their knowledge immediately into practice, creating something useful.
The mechanical engineering technology differs in that it is the more applied sense, getting into actually the manufacturing side, the production side of mechanical systems versus just design.
In classes and labs, students focus on reality-based learning to develop frontline problem-solving skills. MET majors learn to find the shortest path to the solution using knowledge beyond the classroom by participating in unique design projects and enterprises.
This is a fiberglass-made, electrically powered jet-propelled kayak. It has a jet pump from a jet ski. It has an electric motor with a sealed shaft that goes through, gives it the thrust. We have 4 big batteries up in the front to provide the power.
I don't think they're going to remember all the late nights. I don't think they're going to remember all the classes that they had to show up late for because they didn't get any sleep. But I think what they're going to remember is what we've done here in the last hour. I think this is what will stay with them.
We got a conversion kit we're building for this dirt bike here. We want to be able to ride on snow. We're shooting for being able to convert full conversion from riding a dirt bike to riding snow in under an hour.
So if we can just pull off the shaft, take off the tire, throw on the track without having to change any of the brake calipers or positioning, it's going to go a lot faster. And that was one of the things we decided was important to our design.
We need to really make sure we know what degree we need to go in each direction. Other than purchase parts, we're making everything. We're making all of our own bushings. As far as the front ski, we burnt everything out on the plasma table, welded that all together. We're using parts that are readily available and not that are going to take a huge dive out of our pocket.
The project is converting this van you see here into a mobile medical clinic that will provide basic service to the people in rural Ghana.
Working on this project, to me, it seems like it would be exactly like working in industry. We have deadlines, we have people to work with, we have suppliers, and all of these need to be brought together.
I think the coolest thing about this project is all the hands-on work that you actually get to do, plus knowing that what you're doing is going to make a difference.
We've given them a tabletop workspace, a sink, a refrigerator for vaccinations. We have 2 jump seats right here for doctor transport. We also have a backboard right here for patient transport. We also have 2 microscopes, an EKG machine, and a centrifuge for the doctors to use. We've also included a data tracking system with GPS, so we can actually follow where the van is going to be going to each village. This also tracks the procedures that each doctor does, and so that in the future we can make a van tailored to their specific needs.
As an MET major, you can choose a focus based on your interests, including computer-aided technology, fluids and power systems, or manufacturing processes.
The 3 kind of areas that students get jobs in are the production area, so they may be in a company, a steel company, let's say, looking at how steel is produced and how can we make that process more efficient. The second area is more in the design, and that in our focus area we call that our computer-aided engineering focus area. So students could be in a certain area of design, engine design, powertrain, different things like that. We have a focus area that's more on just power systems. So fluid power systems, internal combustion engines, but
as an MET student, you focus on creative, applied problem solving while working on design projects and enterprises in hands-on labs.
So I think the School of Technology is great for kids that grew up building those little erector sets or even more cool stuff, car heads, gear heads. School of Technology really offers the hands-on aspect that you can't get anywhere else on campus.
Go beyond theory with a degree in MET at Michigan Tech. Apply today.